Hi guys, right now we are here in Bayanihan Village located here in BF Homes, Parañaque. Meron tayong brand new house and lot na i-house tour ngayong araw and it is perfect for a big family because it has a 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and yung car garage ito kasya hanggang 3 to 4 vehicle na sasakyan. So it has a lot area of 280 square meter with a total developed area of 375 square meter. So tara, house tour natin to. For the orientation, facing east. So you have your automated gate dito for your 2-car vehicle. You have your garden dito that can convert up to 2-car vehicle pa rin. Gate access dito papunta sa inyong lanay and service area. Tara, pasok tayo. On this side, you have your porch area papunta sa inyong main entrance. And this side is your car parking. So, napakalaki pa niya and kasya yung dalawang full-size SUV dito na naka-covered na rin siya. So ito yung walkway papuntang auxiliary kitchen, service area and lanay. All the way paikot, papunta pa rin dito sa inyong car parking. So, on this side is your maids or driver's room. Ito siya. So, may mga kalat lang kaya hindi ko na ipapakita. And ito yung sariling toilet and bath nila. So, this one is your auxiliary kitchen. And this is your service area with landscape garden na rin dito. Ang ganda, no? May mga bamboo fencing na rin dito. And meron na rin kayong view ng loob ng bahay nyo dito. So tara, pasukin natin yung loob. So you have your solid wooden door with smart lock system na rin. Your receiving area. Right here is your first bedroom. Included na yung split type AC. With own toilet and bath. Tapos, may shared access din dito sa may living area. So, over here is your living area, split type AC, your staircase going to second floor, and your full-size sliding door going to your lanay area. So, this one is your dining area. So, this can cater up to 6 to 8 dining seater set. Your formal kitchen, quartz countertop. Included na rin yung gas range and range wood. So, yan. So, on this side is your auxiliary kitchen, maid's room. So, you have your indoor kitchen dito. Also, on this side is your access going to your service area. Tara, tapos na tayo dito sa ground floor. Let's check kung anong meron sa taas. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Welcome dito sa second floor. No? Dito naman meron kayong 4 na kwarto. And check muna natin itong mga common bedrooms dito. Dito tayo mag-start. So, for the bedroom number 2, dito sa taas, you have your built-in cabinets. Dito yung placing ng bed nyo. Also, may naka-included na rin na split type AC. And may sariling toilet and bath. So, full glass door, shower, and you have your floating sink dito. Maganda. Sarado muna natin. Third bedroom, kayo ditong built-in cabinet katulad nung sa unang kwarto. And then, one thing I noticed is high ceiling na rin siya. You have your pin lightnings and this is for your bags or shoes storage. Also have your split type AC na naka-include, wide sliding window, and your study table dito sa side. This one is also your toilet and bath. So yan, may floating sink, medicine cabinet, and full glass door to your shower. By the way, this toilet and bath is sharing dun sa kabilang room. So tara check natin. Dito tayo daan. So this one is your third bedroom dito sa second floor. And ito yung pinakita ko kanina. Sharing siya doon sa may second bedroom. Also naka-install na rin yung AC dito. So yan, may modular cabinets, window dito sa side. So now check natin yung master's bedroom. Let's go. Bedroom, kasyang-kasya yung mga queen size bed. And naka-cove lighting pa kayo dito. You have your huge balcony. So ito yung balcony sa master's bedroom. So ang laki pa niya, no? Ang ganda. And naka-tempered glass na rin tong side. Also daming pin lights and wood design. Kaya very modern yung bahay na to. So on this side is your walk-in closet with ensuite toilet and bath. So naka-glass pa yung walk-in closet nyo, no? So ang ganda. May mga ilaw na rin. So kitang-kita nyo yung mga damit nyo dyan. Also on this side, pwedeng shoe storage, bags. So yan. Daming pwedeng lagay. And this side you have your bathtub, shower dito sa side na to, and your toilet and bath. So that's it for the whole house tour of this brand new housing lot in Bayanihan Village located in BF Homes, Parañaque. So we're selling this property for 43.5 million. It has a 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 3 to 4 car garage. So if you're interested, you may contact me sa mga number dito posted in the screen. I also have Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. And huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong release na property dito sa South. And again, this is Joshua, your Property Trends, and thank you for watching.